Hey guys, I just wanted to go ahead and gratify on what will happen in this video that pretty much will piss me off, will piss any line guy off. It's when you're going out for the intent. It's the intent that will piss you off the most. It's not the repair, it's the intent. It's the intent. I have to laugh at it because basically this is what happened to me today earlier. Is basically I went to go and did my routine maintenance on the truck, and I happened to fall into a little bit of trouble with my trail lights. I'm not gonna say I'm the most apt guy to go ahead and actually check on the trailer lights every now and again. Sometimes with the trailer, we kind of bump into things. Every trailer man does that. Doesn't mean it's just me alone. But I'm a line guy, so I have to get in tight spaces, park in tight areas, get in alley. Well, I just wanted to go ahead and answer this part of the video to get the agitation of it all. I had to redo it because I did the film last night, and the editing software rendered it to be shaky video. And when it's shaky video, you have to redo it again. So what I did on this situation right here is offer y'all an opportunity to see the bill of the light repair. We had to repair light fixtures and stuff that was on the trailer, and that video that you see me doing was an edited video of me testing out the lights. What happened is it led on to the nighttime, because basically when you put trailer lights on and a number of trailer lights clink out, it seems like forever and a days. You can screw that thing into the socket and screw it in and it'll light up. Sometimes it'll light up. The parking brake function will light up. But when the parking brake function will light up, that's half of the fight with the trailer brakes. Trailer brakes won't light up. Now you got a problem. You got a semi-problem now. And then the turning signal lights, like the left and the right signal light, happened to gave me a lot of a hard time. I had to really go ahead and pace myself, and even now it does not work. So I got to go back out there again to go and do a little bit of repair to the trailer. Right now I'm filming this, you know, I'm very agitated with it. I just wanted to let y'all know, man, what if I didn't have that? And I went and I switched my truck and trailer on the side of the road. On the side of the road, just, and told somebody, hey, went into somebody's neighborhood, hey, gave him my business card and said, hey, I could do your yard for 20 bucks. I'll be out of profit right about now. You know, it doesn't make any sense, you know. And some of these people will pay an average contractor who they think can do a good job to rebuild, reconstruct their bathroom and reconstruct their kitchens, probably 10, 20,000 for the kitchen and about 7,000, 8,000 for one of the houses that's around here. I mean, that little small bathrooms, $5,000 to $6,000 or $7,000 for a contractor just to make the bathroom look good, which is just something that they're gonna take a shower, they're gonna bathe, they're gonna shut the lights off, and that's gonna be that. I mean, and brush their teeth in the morning time and shave and shower, and that might take a course of within the run of a day, might take a course of at least about an hour to the most. So why not spend a little bit more on their yard work? Why not do that? You know, that's my one and only other frustration besides that. Why not spend a little bit more and not question it? Because it's going to be seasons that, if this video hits the customer, it's going to be seasons that basically, when we're as a contractor for your lawn, it's going to be seasons, you know, past, whatever, whatnot. If it happens to be a hurricane, fire shed, whatever, whatnot, that happens to your lawn, we come in there to go and clean that up. We come there to go clean that up, and it costs money. And the city rains down on us for the money aspect. Not to say that, you know, it's not cheap to dump this stuff, but then if you get somebody, if you're out there doing it for free, if you get somebody to even do it for free, it still costs you an arm and a leg. You got to go and treat them out to eat. You got to go and, you know, give them your heart and soul and sign the dotted line to go get them something to eat. And that shit might take, you know, $20-some out of budget. And you got to do that. And you're doing that for nothing. Why don't you just go ahead and tell your customers, this is out to the lawn people, and tell your customer, hey, won't you ask the customer for the $10 or $20 extra dollars for the month, or the $30 for the extra, you know, $30 for the month, and then you can just go swipe the card, and you know, just and get somebody to help you out. You might get in somebody's yard, you might fall off a tree, or something might happen, a tree might fall, you might get bit by a snake. What if you got to pay somebody to dump that out of your truck, go drive all the way to go get something to eat for them to, you know, you got to cater to these people. It's not an easy game out here. And you're saying that you want to charge that person 25 bucks, and they're going to be expecting that 25 bucks every single time. They're gonna expect for you to show up, and when they show up, ain't gonna be like, dang, you know what, I got this contractor and I just slapped his head for like 25. He did my whole yard. I got free
1,000 square foot of yard. This dude just went and grinded it out on my yard, and he didn't even edge it. Because when he found out, it was like $25, and he needed the gas to go and mow your yard. And he found out, he went down the street to go get the gas to mow the yard, and his little 5-gallon gas canister, he found out then that he had to go and get some, 98 for the gas can and 98 for the vehicle. So guess what? That knocked his profit down, and then he had to add a little bit more to it. Overdraft your bank account to add a little bit more to what you got, so to make the deal seem so surreal. What I gotta say to y'all, pay your line guys, man. That's all I gotta say. And for the line guys that are out there, man, just charge these customers adequately. If they don't want to give it to you or any business thereof, if they want to fall for the Bernie next door or anything thereof, if he don't edge it the right way, that's their problem. If he don't come out there and pick up the pile of leaves that he left 3 weeks ago, that's their problem. Because you know why? Because they paid $25. You got $25 worth of value. How much of value you gonna get? That's like paying a contractor $25. What are you gonna do? You gonna come in your bathroom and pay him to do your bathroom for $25. You gonna come in that bathroom with a hammer, throw that hammer against the wall, and there that hammer is gonna lay until you pay him the rest of the $1,000, the rest of the $7,000, the rest of the $7,650. So come on, man. Come off of it. Get real. This your boy Reese, and you're watching the Oscillers Lawn Care. All right, man. I was just taking this home, taking it straight to the heart, because you guys out there, man, y'all a truck. Y'all pay $7,000 for somebody to come in there for 3 days, and we'll go out there and whip it up, and like, we're contractors too. We are contractors too. We are not the boy next door. We are not the people that don't, the boy next door that gets high and then don't want to do the trash, or don't want to do the lawn that you paid them for. All right, don't do that. All right, I'll talk to you later. Peace.